Sebastien, I'm the founder and inventor of DVOX, an audio streaming technology that is actually leading on three main purposes. The first thing is flexibility and scalability. We are streaming audio over Wi-Fi, period. That's what we are doing and we're good at. And we're the only one on the market doing it without the need of an app. So basically any cell phone is an audio receiver. We designed this solution from the Wi-Fi. Basically, we decided to have an audio solution that is connected to the Wi-Fi to any venue. So you don't have to add any more antennas. So the scalability and flexibility of the system make us reliable for assistive listening, thanks to this little guy here, the receiver, that is acting nicely for the assistive listening market. We're also doing digital signage, sport commentary, university and higher education, house of worships, you name it. Everywhere there's Wi-Fi, we're good to go. Plus our solution being no app. Basically the end user don't download nothing at all, so it's frictionless for everyone on the line. So basically the owner of this technology, the end user will be listening in a second with two little steps. If you look in here, those are the two steps needed. You connect to the venue, the Wi-Fi venue, whichever Wi-Fi it is. And the second step, you scan the QR code. This QR code is only a URL. It will redirect you to a web page, such as this one here, that is fully customizable. So your web browser will be opening a web page. And then when you click on play, it goes and it starts right away. You're listening to any feed provided by the venue itself. We are having successful deployment in large venues with Formula E. We're having Green Bay Packers, TGL, golf and sports, several convention centers already, airports, you name it. Wi-Fi, streaming, done. No app, frictionless. Have a look on DVOX.com, DVOX.com.